Okay, so today we are going to program one of our sprites. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to close out this tutorial. We're going to go to File, we're going to click Load from your computer, and you're going to load the project file that you were working on last time. So the project file that has your background and your two sprites that you created. Today we're going to select the sprite that is going to be catching the object. So for me, this bag is going to be catching the object, so I'm going to make sure I have that one clicked. What we're going to do is we're going to program it to go left and right. So I want it to be at the bottom of the screen and just go left to right, catching all of the coins. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Events. I'm going to get a When Flag Clicked button. What that does is that initiates whenever I click the flag button to start the program. Next, we're going to get a forever loop. This forever loop is going to be forever checking to see if I've pressed the keys. We're going to need two if-thens. We're getting two because we're going to have a left and a right. So if I press the left key, I want to go left, and if I press the right key, I want to go right. Inside of those openings, right after the word if, we're going to put a sensing block. We're going to get this key pressed. So we're going to grab one for each of those openings. If you kind of hold it over, it'll highlight the opening and let you drop it in. We're going to be using the left and the right arrow keys, so right and left. You're just going to select those from that drop-down menu. And we want it to move, so we're going to go to the motion, and we're going to get this move 10 steps block. We're going to get one for each of these openings. Right is the positive direction, so we can leave that alone. Left is the negative direction, so we're going to make that a -10 instead of a +10. Now we're going to click our green flag and test if our sprite moves left and right. So mine is moving to the right when I click the right key and to the left when I click the left key. So that is it for today. We have programmed our collection sprite. So click File, Save to your computer, and then submit that file.